My name is Dr. Obeid. I'm a prosthodontist with 2 decades of experience in implants and cosmetic dentistry. And I want to talk to you today about a very exciting new product that we're using at Obeid Dental, and that is the intraoral scanner. Most of you had experienced the old way of doing impressions, and that is using the gooey materials that takes a long time for it to set in your mouth, and it has bad flavor. So I think every one of you will remember some bad experience with that, but not anymore. This great new technology will allow us to take different kind of impressions, whether to do impression for just the scanning, general information, or to take impressions for your crowns, for inlays, onlays, even the most complex implant procedures. So I hope we get a chance to see you and get to test this new technology on you so you can appreciate it.